Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you some happy mail that I received from a new pen pal, Melissa. She wanted to do like an Australian theme one because we're both Australians. I unfortunately didn't have any Australian themed stuff, so I just kind of did my own thing. I will put what I sent her in the description down below so you can see, but this is what she sent me. We agreed to do 5 handmade items. So this is her card. It's very cute. It says, "Hello Jamie." I'm just going to read it. Okay, so I just read her card. She said thank you for swapping and that she'd been a follower of my Instagram, which makes me really happy. So let's hop on and have a look. I think, well, I can see that there's these here, which, oh my gosh, yes they are. These are some galahs. They are an animal that we have here in Australia. Oh, that's so clever. I really like this idea. The card as well has native Australian animals, which I think was really cute. Then, is this a giant mug? Let's open it up. Might need some scissors. I think it is. So there's this coaster with a cockatoo and then I think it's a rainbow lorikeet, which is again some native Australian animals. Oh yes, I was right. It is a Australian animals like teacup. So it's got just like the coaster did, it has a cockatoo, I think it's a rosella, and then some kangaroos, another cockatoo, kookaburra, and then it goes back around. And then this is of St Kilda, which is in St Kilda's in Melbourne. The big banana is a kind of like popular thing, and then we've got the Sydney Opera House, and then the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and then there's these two. I have no idea what they are, and then that to me looks like it's trying to be Ayers Rock, so that's really cool. Alright, I want to open this up here and see. Oh, she did. I saw on her Instagram that she makes these like really cool, oh no, don't pull. These really cool, like embroidery hoop designs, and she made me one. This is so cool, and it's really 3D, and you can hang it up. I'm probably going to hang this up. This is so cool. There's a little koala here with some flowers on its head. That's really cool. I like that. And then she's used some like acetate here on the side so the butterfly comes out. Oh, that looks so cool. So we've got this one. I'm just going to grab the rest of them out so we can move the box out of the way. Now I think that these are like the handmade goodies. I'm just going to grab them out and try to not look. So these are the rest of the goodies. So I can see that some of them are out, so I'll be able to see them. This looks like a mini pocket letter. And again, it's obviously native Australian animals theme. This is so cool. I think this is they had a reject store collection that had Australian animals. So I'm going to assume that this is it here. So I've got like gum leaves, and then in the back she's gifted me a whole bunch of ephemera, which is very cool. I really like this. This is cute. It's kind of cool though to see this because I know that a lot of my subs aren't actually from Australia, so you would kind of not be sure what this is, but for me, I've never even done a swap like this, so I think this is really cool. This is by a company called Born, just Born, and it's, again, this is native Australian thing. So we've got, you know, bottle brushes, not bottle brushes, I can't think of what they're called. I think it's a bottle brush. Again, like I'm not even sure about a lot of the native things that we have here. Then we've got this paper pad, which is really cool. There's a lot of these really cool like gum leaves, which I really like. And then lovely wood grain, which looks like paper bark. Paper bark is a type of tree that we have. So that's fun. And then, oh, there's another card. What is in the card? Is this like a fancy card? I'm not sure how this works. Oh, it's a pocket, I think. I think it's a pocket. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's cool. And then, do these come out? I don't fully understand. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it was something like this. It's a box. Oh, that's so cool. And then like everything kind of stands up. Oh wow, that's so clever. And these obviously can go down. I really like this. You have to let me know how you did this because this is really cool. I'd love to do something like this with Garden Party. Wow, that's so clever. I really like that. That's so cool. It says our friendship has a beauty that is rich and rare, and rich and rare is something that's in our national anthem. So that's really cool. In our national anthem it says our beauty is rich and rare. That's really cool. I like that. And then it looks like she has decorated a box, and there might be some stuff inside. So we'll just pop it open. This collection is so cool. I think I would have really struggled with this collection though, because it's just not what I'm used to. I'm just gonna pop it just like that and then show you it. So she's got some really beautiful paper flowers. That sunflower is gorgeous. And then just a cluster here, which looks really cute. And this is treasure the little moments. And then she's also decorated the front, and that like ribbon ruffle is so cute with the little trim on there, and that teacup. Oh, is that a Tasmanian devil? Yes, I think that's a Tasmanian devil. Again, another animal. So let's open her up. Oh, this is the sneak peek that she sent me. She sent me a sneak peek, and it had this cute little koala in it. This is so cool. I know that she bought this because she said she bought it and didn't know who she wanted to give it to, but I think that the person she bought it from might have handmade it, because it feels very delicate, and like this is crocheted. I think it's so cool, and the arms are movable as well. Oh, that's so fun. I really like this idea. That's so cool. Very nice. Then, oh, she's given me some Lindt chocolate, so thank you very much. And then it looks like it's a tag flip. Oh yes. Oh, these Pom-Pom, are they Pom-Pom Charms? Did you make these? You'll have to let me know if you made them or if you bought them. If you bought them, please let me know where. I want to buy some. They look really pretty. And then this tassel as well is gorgeous. It's got flecks of silver in it, and then some pink and a nice baby blue. And this is also this like little charm here actually comes off, so I can actually remove it and I can put it onto my own thing. So here we go. There's a tag flip here. This is a heart piece, and she's actually backed it onto card as well. We've got little tiny sleeping koalas. It says young and free, and a cute little filler tag, and this adorable koala. I'm just admiring this. It's so cool. And then this one here, it says you're my number one, enjoy today. It's really nice to see these kind of, like they feel almost watercolor, the way that she's gone about it, which is really cool. And then there's this crepe paper ruffle. I haven't seen a crepe paper ruffle in such a long time. It's giving me some fun ideas. Oh, on the back of it, I don't know if she intentionally did this. On the back of it, it's got like glitter or something. Cool. Then from the heart, that's a beautiful tag. I like that. This one here is a little mini envelope with things coming out of it. This is that is a galah. I called it the other thing before a galah. This is a galah because it's got the pink thing on here. That must be a rainbow lorikeet then. With this beautiful, I think this is like a Maggie Holmes trim or an inspired by Maggie Holmes trim. And just some really beautiful things here. I love how she's got this washi tape here to stick it. It looks really cute. And this one here, is it removable? Yes, it is. I love when people do that. You can use them. I think this one is some goodies that I can have. So there was a pin, and then, oh, it is. She's made like a little gusseted pocket. And then on the inside, ta-da-da, she has gifted me, just like before, some really pretty ephemera pieces. So they're really cute. Oh, I love that. Super gorgeous. And then that's just what it looks like. My heart belongs here. And then this, oh my gosh, sorry, I just gave a sneak peek to myself. You'll see it in a second. Those koalas in that camera are beautiful, but this is the thing I'm excited about. Did you make this? Oh my gosh, did you make this? Or did you buy it? I think you might have made it. It's so cool. It's a little shaker and it's a jar. I think I'm gonna repurpose this and I'll try to pull it apart and put my own sequins mix in, but oh my gosh, that is so cool. Really cool. Let me know where you got that from, or if you did make it, kudos, because that is so cool. Love it. And then the last one, oh, she's got her own stamp. So it says handmade by Mel Crafts. Her name is Melissa. Handmade by Mel Crafts. That looks so good. I really like that. And then again, it's got that beautiful little pink tag. Oh, that has made me, that's so cool. I really want to know how you got that. This is so cool. I loved doing this little Australian animals theme swap with you. This was so fun to get to see kind of projects that, you know, I would struggle to make because I've never worked with things like this before. Like, this box is really cool. I'm really inspired by that. So this is awesome. Thank you so much for this. I'm super excited to get to hang up some of these things in my craft room, and maybe I could wear my socks to school on like a silly sock day, and then my kids could be like, why are you wearing gloves? And then my mug, which is also really pretty. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Remember that the link in the description will be for what I sent to Melissa, and also I will pop her Instagram down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.